6 seconds. I've often reflected on the beautiful acoustic of this chapel, and one of the great things is that the sound doesn't just die, it lingers for a little while. But just those 6 seconds. That's the life of your voice, your sound, the spoken word of King's College Chapel. And then the echo falls to nothingness. There's something really beautiful about that. I'm Stephen Cherry, and for just over a decade, I've been the Dean of the chapel here at King's College, Cambridge. I've spoken many words from this pulpit, usually in the context of beautiful choral services where the choir has been singing and the organ playing. And I've come to think, isn't it a shame that we don't share more of the spoken word life of this chapel? We share the music through broadcasts and recordings, and we have fantastic concerts. But we don't make so much of what we say. But to do that, I'm not going to carry on standing in this pulpit, talking to this vast space. I'm going to come out of the pulpit, down to the floor level of the chapel. And what I want to do is have meetings and encounters with a whole variety of people who know this building in different ways to me. I want to talk to someone who really knows the history of the architecture. I want to talk to someone for whom this building has really framed their musical ambitions. I want to talk to the provost of the college, who in here addresses our new students. And I want to talk to a student who has actually put on a performance of Macbeth in the space. This chapel that stands in the middle of Cambridge, inside it, it's this beautifully vaulted space. Many, many interesting conversations happen in here. I know that this space does something to people's hearts, minds, and imaginations. And I know about these conversations because I've had them so often with people after services, people I just bump into and decide to show them a little bit of the chapel. Interesting encounters happen in this space. And that's what this podcast series is going to share. Encounters with King's College Chapel.